Unlock your video creation potential on Higgsfield without spending a dime. Ready to create stunning videos without breaking the bank? This tutorial will guide you through making Higgsfield videos entirely free, focusing on maximizing their generous free trial and readily available features. First, head over to the Higgsfield website and locate their free trial offer. This is your golden ticket to explore all their premium tools and capabilities for a set period. Signing up is usually a breeze. You'll likely just need an email address and create a password. Don't worry, most platforms keep this process super quick. Once you're in your free trial account, you'll notice user-friendly interface. Start by exploring the media library. Higgsfield often provides a selection of free stock photos, videos, and music you can use right away. Alternatively, upload your own photos, video clips, and audio files directly into the platform. This personal touch makes your videos unique and truly yours. Now for the creative part. The Higgsfield timeline is where the magic happens. Learn to trim unwanted sections of your video clips, cut between them seamlessly, and add engaging text overlays. Experiment with their text animation options to make titles and captions pop. Think about different fonts, colors, and how the text enters and exits the frame. Don't forget the transitions and effects. Higgsfield offers a range of free transitions that can smoothly connect your clips, adding a professional polish to your video. Sound is crucial for engagement. Browse the free music library within Higgsfield and add background music that complements the mood and message of your video. Once you're happy with your creation, look for the export or download button. Higgsfield will allow you to render your video in high quality, absolutely free during your trial period. And there you have it. €1 a compelling video created on Higgsfield, all within their free trial capabilities. Keep exploring and practicing to master these techniques and generate even more engaging content on a budget.